Hello Moblin, it's this time of the year again, the Alberto Moblin Awards. This year we make some changes, so we're gonna have a few different categories than last year. And as last year, you can make a campaign to get more votes. If you don't know what I'm talking about, or you simply don't understand my Spanglish, you can check the links below. For the categories of this year, I'm gonna make a brief introduction for it. For the first category, we have To Infinity and Beyond. Who do you think has grown most in their role this last year? The second category, Robin to your Batman. Who do you think has helped you more personally this last year? And for the third category, The Lord of the Orange Spring. Who do you think has played a key role in your project to survive? For the fourth category, Guardian of the Galaxy. Who do you think has gone above and beyond? For the fourth category, Guardian of the Galaxy. Who do you think has gone above and beyond? Okay. So, fourth category, Guardian of the Galaxy. Who do you think has gone above and beyond for their own team? For the fifth category, we have the Tony Stark trainee. Who do you think that is always thinking outside of the box and doesn't have any limits? Sixth.
Yes.
Almost like
Sixth. No.
Okay, for the 5+1 category, the next category is the Wall of Shame Award. Who do you think started the best moment of the year? And obviously, we didn't forget about all the offices. So we're gonna have one category per each office. Who do you think was brighten your day in Amsterdam, Malaga or Coruña? And we didn't forget about the okay. And for the ultimate category, we have the Mobliners Choice Award, where you can vote for the outstanding Mobliner of this year. Now save the date and get voting. Now save the date and get voting. Now save the date and get voting.